Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to our MCMC world. In this video, we will introduce the Initialize module and the Phases module of the MCMC optimizer. In essence, their functionality are the same: randomly select items and update their data. The Initialization module somehow is the submodule of the Phases module. The only difference is that during initialization, after each data update, the optimizer does not evaluate the solution. Instead, the purpose of the initialization module is to create a complete, randomly starting point to avoid the biased optimal solutions. While the phases module, on the other hand, evaluates the proposed solution immediately after each data update. The phases consist of two main parts: iteration and movements. Iteration defines the life cycle of the phases. Movement defines the movement policies and rules. Please refer to the documentation for more detail about the iteration and movements. You can also review these phases by clicking the Phases Note Summary button. The goal of this example is to get a list of numbers so that the sum of the numbers equals 100 and the standard deviation equals 10. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.